This is the ASSA twin combi with gen drivers. It's also got smooth finger pins, I think, which I actually think are harder than the serrated ones because they do not stay in place. They're easier to move, but you got to keep scrubbing them. So all these are low lifts. They all start in a milling except for number 6. So I'm going to nudge it up. Now the finger pins are binding, so I'm just going to scrub. Always scrubbing. One's loose, 2, kind of scrub as I lift. If it doesn't loosen up, rotate the pick to lift it for the higher lift ones. May overset them, which I think I did. For the serrated pins, you just might need to loosen up tension more to get them to move. There, I think 2 went up and maybe set, but I think I dropped 6. The 1's kind of loose. I don't think 2 is all the way ready to set yet. Three is overset. I think I might have dropped 6. All right, 2 is set, 3 is good. 4 seems good. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3, 4, and there's 5. So I got a little bit of plug movement there. So now I'm going to check these drivers and try to find the one that's binding the most. So 5 is loose, 4 is loose. There, 3 just went up. Here's 2 just went up. One is binding. To get back on 1. Switch hooks here to make sure I got 1. So 1 is set. 2, 3, 4. I think 6 is binding. There's 6 set. Now 5. And there's 5. So you just jiggle those gins on heavy tension, and then when you release tension, you'll feel them loosen up. So yeah, if they're tight, use heavy tension. And if they're tight, and then when you loosen the tension up, you'll feel them wiggle. You feel them loosen up. Sometimes you'll see the cord moving up and down. So that's when you know they're ready to be set. This does have the gut bar, but it's easier to show the pin orientation with the follower. At least for me it is. And I gotta pull the plug anyway. So there is the sidebar. You see on the chamfer, it's got like, we'll focus, there we go. It's got serrations there on the chamfers to catch the serrated pins. Even though this one does not have the serrated pins, I guess they use the same sidebar. There's the finger pins. I'm going to go ahead and take these key pins out. So they are smooth. I really do think that the serrated ones are easier. It's a little bit tough to see that milling. There's a pretty decent shot at it. So nothing on 3, as is typical. No masters on the finger pins, no master wafers. There's the sidebar groove. So you can see that all these start in the milling. That one's not even going to stay in there. Three is not going to stay for sure. 5 is just barely in the milling. So 6 is the only one that does not start in the milling. 4 is almost set. Just got to tap it up. So there we go. That is the ASSA twin combi with gen drivers.